Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do a variety of different videos including daily and weekly food hauls, TK Maxx hauls, B&M hauls and other hauls like Argos and Boots and Superdrug. I also do beauty box unboxings. Today's beauty box, as you can see, is the Glossybox and it's the March edition of Glossybox. If you don't know what Glossybox is, it's a monthly subscription box where you get around an average of 5 beauty items every month. Some are sample size, some are luxury samples and some are full size. That's the card, which we won't look at. Then it always comes with the gorgeous pink paper, the ribbon and the sticker. So the first item is this. I can't even read the brand. Is it Fixham Rouge? I think I've heard of that brand before. Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD and Matte Veil. Hydra Pore. On the card it says Fixham Rouge Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD Plus. A weightless matte serum designed to minimise the appearance of pores. It's full size and the retail price is £35. I mean, I wouldn't pay £35 for that. It's quite a small tube. 30ml this. I do like the packaging. I like the pink and the gold. The next item is this Caudalie Vino Sauce Cream Sorbet Hydrant Moisturising Sorbet. I think I've had this before, I'm not sure. On the card it says, this isn't even on the card, so I don't even think this is actually meant to be in the box. Maybe they've just put it in. I don't know why, but that's very confusing. That isn't on the card, so who knows. The next item is by Oriza Beauty. Never heard of it, so I don't know how to pronounce it. And it's a lipstick. It's a very nude lipstick and I do like nude shades. So the lipstick says Oriza Beauty Warm Nude Lipstick. The Velvet Ribbon Lipstick range by Oriza has a weightless semi-matte and satin finish. Retail price $15.95. The next item is Secret Flush by, what brand is it? UB Cosmetics, never heard of them. Soothing Cream Blusher and Lip Stain Duo. So not only is there one lip product in, there's a dual product in here. I don't know if I'm happy about that. So it's actually a lot smaller than you think. That is the sort of shade I'd probably put on my cheeks. It's kind of got a gold shimmer in. I don't know if it's showing, but there will be pictures on my blog. Actually smells like sweets as well. So this says Universal Beauty Secret Flush. The Soothing Cream Blusher and Lip Stain Duo glides on like silk and blends effortlessly. Retail price £14.50. And everyone gets this month. It is the Mud Masky Sleep Repair Renewal Moisturising Nourishing Mask. And on the card it says Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. This overnight mask by premium skincare brand Mud Masky hails from Amsterdam. Using only fresh, raw and natural ingredients, the mask hydrates, soothes and smooths your skin. A feast for the senses. It's scented with natural rose water imported from a small village in Persia, which helps to induce a more restful sleep after a long day. Retail price is £61 for the full size, but this isn't full size. It doesn't say what it is actually. So that's this month's beauty box from Glossybox. I'm very disappointed with it because on the card there are lots of other items that I could have potentially got and would have preferred. There is a Laura Geller illuminating stick in ballerina. I would have absolutely loved that and preferred it to the blush lip tint thing that I got. I don't know right now if I'm going to continue to subscribe to Glossybox. The first two of the year were amazing. This one I'm not 100% loving, and I don't understand why I have a Caudalie product when there's absolutely none on the list. I feel like they've just thrown that in instead of giving me something better. I'm looking forward to trying the lipstick the most. I like the sound of this, the Soft Focus HD pore thing, and probably this. These two I'm not really bothered about. So as I said, there will be a matching blog post, and the blog is always linked down below, so if you want to know more about these products then check that out, and I'll be back again with a unboxing of a beauty box next month. I don't know as of yet if it will be Glossybox or if I'm going to try another box. If you have any questions, like always, please leave them down below and I'll reply. And thank you for watching. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you back again to watch some more videos. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.